holiday season is a time when the spirit of generosity and thankfulness permeates the air, transforming ordinary days into moments of extraordinary kindness and reflection. This magical time of year encourages us to look beyond ourselves, fostering a sense of community and compassion that extends far beyond our immediate circles. The act of giving, whether through thoughtful gifts, acts of service, or simply sharing quality time with loved ones, becomes a powerful expression of love and appreciation. This festive season, trade your usual celebrations for an adventure that combines the joy of giving back with unforgettable cultural experiences. Look no further than International Volunteer HQ's unique holiday experience projects in Guatemala, Jamaica, Costa Rica, Peru, and Argentina. Let's explore what awaits you in these incredible destinations. First stop, Guatemala, the charming city of Antigua, where cobblestone streets and colorful colonial buildings set the stage for a magical holiday season. Guatemalans celebrate Christmas with a unique blend of Catholic traditions and Mayan customs. The air fills with the aroma of tamales and ponche, a warm fruit punch, as families gather for midnight mass on Christmas Eve. As an IVHQ volunteer, you'll dive deep into local festivities while making a real difference, potentially organizing holiday parties for disadvantaged children, coordinating festive activities for elderly care residents, or even helping out at a local coffee farm. In your free time, explore the vibrant markets of Antigua, hike up the active Pacaya volcano, or take a day trip to the stunning Lake Atitlan. IVHQ's Christmas holiday experience in Guatemala provides a wonderful opportunity for volunteers of all ages to engage in impactful community service. While the program is mostly accessible, the hilly terrain is an element to consider for those with mobility issues. The experience includes accommodation, airport pickup, 2 meals daily, transportation to project sites, and 24/7 local team support, all with the support of an IVHQ representative. Volunteers can look forward to a flexible schedule that balances project work with chances for sightseeing and soaking in the festive atmosphere. Next, we journey to Jamaica, where Christmas meets vibrant culture and delicious Jamaican cuisine. Christmas here is celebrated with a distinctive island twist. The program is based in the beautiful coastal region of St. Mary, where you'll find yourself at the heart of these celebrations while volunteering to prepare and distribute meals to the homeless and elderly. Your efforts will help organize Christmas parties filled with laughter and joy for those who need it most. On the Christmas Break Project, volunteers will prepare and distribute meals to the homeless and elderly in St. Mary, organize festive Christmas parties, and assist with home improvement projects for families in need. This one-week project offers a chance to engage with the community and experience vibrant Jamaican holiday traditions. When you're not volunteering, take advantage of Jamaica's stunning natural beauty. Relax on pristine beaches bathed in golden sunlight, or embark on the breathtaking Blue Hole excursion, where you'll spend an afternoon cliff jumping and swimming in a natural series of waterfalls. The warmth of Jamaican culture will embrace you as you create lasting memories. IVHQ's Christmas Holiday Experience Project in Jamaica welcomes volunteers of all ages, particularly older participants with private room upgrades available. The program features safe and social accommodation with easy access to stunning beaches. It is not physically demanding, making it accessible to everyone. Volunteers contribute in the morning and early afternoon, enjoying flexibility to immerse themselves in local culture while making a positive impact on underprivileged communities during the holiday season. Our next destination is Costa Rica, where the capital city of San Jose buzzes with holiday cheer. Ticos, as Costa Ricans call themselves, celebrate Christmas with elaborate nativity scenes, colorful light displays, and lively street festivals. Volunteers in San Jose spread holiday joy through various activities, such as beautifying community spaces with festive decorations, hosting Christmas cookouts for local children, organizing New Year's parties for people with special needs, and bringing holiday cheer to elderly care homes. When you're not volunteering, embark on thrilling adventures. Zipline through lush rainforests, relax on immaculate beaches, or visit the awe-inspiring Arenal volcano. IVHQ's Christmas Holiday Experience in San Jose, Costa Rica, offers volunteers of all ages the chance to participate in rewarding community service. Although the program is generally accessible, the hilly landscape may be difficult for those with mobility challenges. Volunteers can expect a flexible schedule that includes project work and opportunities for exploration. This project features a comprehensive experience with accommodation, airport pickup, 2 meals per day, transportation to project sites, and 24/7 local team support, all with the support of an IVHQ representative. Our journey continues into the Andes to Peru. Here, the holiday season is a fascinating blend of Incan and Catholic traditions. With streets coming alive with colorful processions and markets overflowing with handcrafted decorations. Your volunteer experience in Cusco will be diverse and rewarding, including running holiday parties for underprivileged children, assisting at animal care centers including alpaca and llama farms, participating in eco-agriculture conservation projects, and immersing yourself in Andean culture by learning about weaving, farming, and cooking. During your downtime, explore the wonders of the Sacred Valley, visit the breathtaking Machu Picchu, or take in the rich history of Cusco's museums and archaeological sites. IVHQ's Christmas Holiday experience in Cusco invites volunteers of all ages to engage in meaningful community service. While accessible, the undulating terrain may pose challenges for those with mobility issues. Participants enjoy flexible schedules for project work and tours. The program is a truly comprehensive experience, which includes accommodation, airport pickup, 2 meals daily, transportation to project sites, and local team support, all with the support of an IVHQ representative. For our final destination, we arrive in Argentina, where the holiday season is characterized by warm summer weather and festive gatherings and celebrated with asados, barbecues, fireworks, and midnight toasts. In Cordoba, you'll contribute to meaningful projects such as renovating a local community center playground, organizing holiday parties for children or the elderly, or delivering gifts to hospitals and nursing homes. When you're not volunteering, immerse yourself in Argentina's rich culture by learning to tango, savoring world-class wines, visit historic Jesuit sites, or venture into the nearby Sierras de Cordoba mountains for hiking and horseback riding. IVHQ's Christmas Holiday Experience project in Cordoba, Argentina, welcomes volunteers of all ages. With moderate physical demands and a flexible schedule, participants can choose morning or afternoon activities, or volunteer all day. Staying with the local family offers an authentic Argentinian Christmas experience, and the program includes accommodation, airport pickup, 2 meals daily, transportation to project sites, and local team support, all with the support of an IVHQ representative. While most can participate, those with mobility issues may find some activities challenging. This project provides a meaningful holiday experience that balances relaxation and engagement. If you're looking to expand your volunteering horizons this holiday season, consider other exciting destinations where you can make an impact. Places like Argentina, Bali, and Lombok in Indonesia, Belize, Cambodia, Croatia, Greece, India, Italy, Laos, Peru, Malawi, Namibia, Nepal, Morocco, Portugal, South Korea, Sri Lanka, South Africa's Kruger National Park, Thailand, Tanzania, Victoria Falls, Vietnam, and Zanzibar, all offer unique volunteer opportunities. From teaching English and helping at child care centers to supporting wildlife conservation efforts or providing healthcare services, volunteers can engage in a wide variety of impactful projects across these destinations. Options may be limited during this time of year, so make sure to reach out to our volunteer travel expert team to find out more. Whether you choose Guatemala, Jamaica, Costa Rica, Peru, or Argentina, or any of our other incredible destinations to give back this season, IVHQ's Holiday Experience projects provide a unique opportunity to make your festive season truly unforgettable. You'll create lasting memories and forge new friendships while positively impacting communities that will stay with you long after you return home. This holiday season is your chance to give the gift of your time and compassion by joining IVHQ for a volunteer adventure that will warm your heart and broaden your horizons. The greatest present you can give is your presence. Make it count with IVHQ. Follow the link in the description to get started. It's super easy with our quick, free online application and zero-risk booking policy. See you out there this festive season. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more global volunteering and travel opportunities and inspiration.